Hi,
Oh,
Rupert.
wow.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, Yuri. How are you?
Welcome in your
Wow.
Oh,
Thank you.
Look at this.
It's beautiful.
It's amazing.
You good, yeah? Very good. Nice. So,
It's great.
that's great.
Yeah.
Love it. Next room.
Wow.
Very big room. Windows,
Very nice.
triple glazing.
Can't hear anything, can you?
Yeah, yeah. This is
Very
very
quiet.
top high. This
Yeah.
it's good, isn't it?
Yes, very nice. Perfect.
New bathroom.
Wow. Very nice.
Look
Good.
at this. Oh,
Nice
fantastic.
view. Much better than before.
Much better than before.
And finally, we would very much recommend Optimal Builders to do a project renovation for you. I think they do a varying suite of things, but home renovation has really been good for us. We found the process really good, and if or when we would do another renovation, we would very much come back to Optimal to give us their thoughts on the next project that we have. So we really enjoyed it, and I think Elle would agree with me.
Yeah, 100%.
I'm Rupert,
And I'm Eleanor.
and we're clients of Optimal Builders. We started this process quite a long time ago, didn't we? We bought this house in August last year, and we were looking for a company to help us with the full renovation of our house.
Yep. When we bought the house, it was a probate sale and it had not really been looked after very well. So it was in quite bad condition, quite dirty, and just really needed completely gutting and renovating. We didn't do any structural works. It was completely cosmetic, what needed doing, but it was really needed to take everything kind of back to the brick and back to the floors, and to basically start from scratch, which was what we were looking for Optimal to help us with. We found Optimal through some of our friends' recommendation, friends of ours that had used Optimal for kind of similar types of work before, and so it was really important that we used a company who we had good recommendations from and who we could trust from people that we trusted as well. And as soon as Optimal came round to look at the house and give us advice and give us a quote, we got on with them really well, and we kind of could see that they were really focused on quality and the finish of the house, as well as giving us lots of knowledge and help, because we hadn't done this before, so we really wanted someone that we could ask questions and get advice throughout the process as well. So that's how we found Optimal and decided to go ahead with them.
We didn't have to deal with any other contractors throughout the process to help us with each of those things, be it electrics, plumbing, flooring, painting, decorating. And so really it was very helpful for them to work on sort of the entire service of the house, and it meant that we were working with one team of which we could ask questions and resolve any issues that we might have had. So it was really simple and straightforward. They were really, really helpful working through it. We had a project manager that was here daily to help us with any needs that we had, and all the messaging and messages got through nice and clear, and we had an easy back and forth and working through every aspect of the project, whether it be the decisions that we were making quick fire. There are a lot of them. It's been a really easy process to work our way through, and they've been really helpful with every element of the build. They gave us a bi-weekly updates, as in we got an update every couple of weeks, specifying what had been done, what needed to be paid for, what was next on the list. Any variations that appeared from either our side or their side from things we found or things that we wanted to change as we went through the process.
The Optimal team have always been very easy to get hold of, really easy, kind of reliable to speak to, always get back to you quickly, good at communicating, answering questions, sending options, calling us, so always really contactable throughout the process and never kind of difficult to speak with or to get questions, answers, advice from. So we really appreciate all of the help that Optimal have given us. We've learned a lot from this process, so we are really happy with the finish and all the quality that the team have put in that have been here over the last few months, and we are really excited to move into the home and start living here.